In this video, I want to talk about how you can use margin on Webull. Now this is pretty simple, guys. What you should do is you should download the Webull app on your phone, and then you want to follow these simple steps. So first step is we need to enable margin trading. So go to the app and go to account. In there you want to look for margin trading and just enable it. And keep in mind you need to agree to all the rules, and it will give you some instructions that you need to follow. After that, if you get accepted, you can now do margin trading. So what you should do is go to your margin balance, and this is the amount that you're available to use. It can be 2x, it can be 5x of your initial amount, so just check how much it is. Now after that, you want to go and find the stocks, and then you want to buy with margin. Once you press trade, you can enter how much you want, and there will be inside of the order type, instead of the market and stuff, you can choose a margin. Simply press buy, and now you've bought it with the margin. After that, you can check your account to see how much margin balance you have left. And when you are gonna pay it back, you can do that by using your own money to Webull, or when you sell stocks, it's most likely gonna go to the margin. So that is basically how that works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.